Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Again, I want to thank everyone out there for supporting the channel. All the viewers, all the subscribers, immensely appreciate the support. For today's video, I thought I would go through all of the contracts I've done so far with regards to options trading. There's been a number of viewers on the channel wondering what type of extra passive income have I received by doing options trading. So I thought I'd kind of go through, detail all of the transactions I've made. So far, I've made 10 transactions, 8 have completed, for a total net income of about $397. So about $5,000 to $6,000 annually. I calculated each month about $400 times 12 months. So some very good passive income. And I'm going to be trying to optimize this to make about $10,000 to $15,000 of extra income on the portfolio. If you guys are new to options contracts, please take a look at my prior videos discussing in detail exactly what an options contract is. The majority of my trades have been covered calls. Please take a look at my prior videos discussing that as well. I admit that contracts, options trading is much more complex than simply buying and selling individual stocks, but it's also a very powerful way of making extra passive income on your portfolio. So I think there is a lot of benefit learning how to do these types of contracts, especially how to do covered calls, which I think is the easiest and most simple contract to understand, and the one that has the least amount of risk as well. So let's kind of take a look at the portfolio here. Like I said, I've done 10 contracts so far. 2 are still pending. You can see those 2 here. Let's take a look at IRM. I just quickly want to review what a covered call is as well. Again, please take a look at my prior videos. I go into much more detail on exactly what a covered call is. But you can see here, up on top, we have IRM, $35, call, $10.19. So really what this is a limit order in which you get paid for. So you are willing to sell off IRM at $35 per share on or before $10.19. And because of that contract, you get paid, as you can see in the middle there, average credit, $1.15 per share. Each contract is 100 shares. So you can see on the bottom here, I got addition to the portfolio, a credit to the portfolio of $115. Again, $1.15. As you can see, average credit times 100 is 115. You can see the current market value of the contract is $145. So if I wanted to do additional contract here, I would get paid $145 per contract. If I wanted to buy the contract back, I'd have to pay $145, and I essentially would lose $30 on the trade. So you can buy and sell these contracts just like stocks, or you can simply buy the contract and let it expire. You either have to sell off the stock at the particular price that you put in, or the contract simply expires and you keep the collateral as well as that payment on the bottom. So you keep your 100 shares and you keep that $115 payment on the portfolio. So very easy to understand. But again, please take a look at my prior videos. I go into great depth on exactly what we're doing with regards to covered calls. So now let's go ahead and jump into the portfolio to go over all of the contracts. So you can see here is the history. This is all history. Let's go to options events. These are all of the expired contracts. Again, there are 8 contracts that have expired. I've done 10 so far. You saw those 2 contracts that are still pending. And you can see that there are 8 contracts here. Let's go to order history. We'll go through all of the payments I've received so far with regards to doing these contracts. The first contract was on April 2nd. You can see that on the bottom there, Ford, $9.87, put sell, $9.21. Received $43 for that trade. Moving up, Ford, $11.50, call sell, $4.6, $20. An IRM, call sell, $25. Moving up the portfolio, Pfizer, $33.50, put sell, $4.13, $8. GE, put sell, $9. Pfizer, call sell, $3. And the majority of these will be call sells, which are covered calls. So Portola, call sell, $65. Ford, call sell, $4. IRM, call sell, $115. AT&T, call sell, $100. Ford, call sell, $5. So if you add up all those payments, it's $397 over 10 contracts. So I've made some pretty good money. Again, that's about $5,000 to $6,000 per year, depending on the contract you're doing. And I hope to optimize that to about $10,000 to $15,000 per year of passive income on the portfolio. So that is the power of options contracts. you can simply do what I'm doing covered calls, doing contracts which are limit sells. If the trade executes, that's fine. I do a good swing trade. If the contract does not execute, I simply make passive income on the portfolio. So that's my experience so far with options trading. Again, $397 over about 1 month's worth of trading, 10 contracts in total. Very pleased about that passive income on the portfolio. And again, moving forward, I'm going to try to optimize that to about $10,000 to $15,000 of passive income on the portfolio. And the majority of these trades, as I'll talk about in upcoming videos, as I've talked about in prior videos as well, will be on trades that are simply swing trades. Instead of putting in a limit order, I simply put it in a call-sell contract order to do the same exact thing, but by doing that, I get passive extra income on the portfolio. So that is what I'm doing with the portfolio. Again, this video is in response to a number of viewers on the channel wondering what kind of passive income have I been receiving with options contracts. So that's what I've done so far. 10 contracts, $397. Going to try to optimize that to about $10,000 to $15,000 per year of passive income. Again, all of these will be done on my swing trades that I'm more than happy to sell off at particular price points, but I'll do that in the form of a covered call rather than a limit sell order. So not to make the video too long, I'll end it here. Again, if you guys have any questions about this, please let me know. I know this gets quite complex. Please take a look at my prior videos. It goes through in great detail exactly what we're talking about with regards to options trading, as well as the type of options trading that is called a covered call, a call sell order. So please take a look at those orders. And again, if there's any questions at all, please let me know in this video, and I'll do an updated video describing exactly what we're talking about. So let me know what you guys have been doing with options trading, if you guys have been diving into options trading. Again, I've been doing majority covered calls, call sell orders in the portfolio. I've been very pleased with the passive income I've received so far. I think I'll continue doing this moving forward, probably doing a little bit more of this as well moving forward in the portfolio. So again, just wanted to update you guys on all of the call options. And kind of with that, I'll end the video here. Again, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, if you guys enjoy the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until the next video, we'll see you then.